Mechanic opening a door in a 1078.
On the 1078, the doors do not come with any keys, but you can have them rekeyed using a Volvo key from a 73 to 78 model, and you can take them down to your local locksmith and have them redone for some people are doing them for $35 to $50 for a set. Now they are a waffle stack type tumbler. Usually you can have a same-day turnaround at your local locksmith. Pretty self-explanatory on this. You pop in these clips out. If you don't have this clip tool, you can pick one up at Harbor Freight for a few dollars. Get up underneath it a little bit, give it a little pull, stick your fingers underneath there, and then just pull them out. You'll do that all the way around. You'll remove the window crank handle, the door handle, and the lock assembly. This unscrews, this cap pops off, and there'll be a screw behind here, and this cap pops off, and there'll be a screw behind here. You'll also need to remove the armrests. There's 4 Phillips head screws, and the door panel will come off. We'll take it up here in a few minutes once we get all this apart. Now when you're popping this off, just a simple flathead screwdriver, up underneath it, put your hand here, and then just work your way around it. Once you work your way around it, set this off to the side. This bolt here is going to be a 10 millimeter. And if you do not like the location of the door handle, when you are putting it back together, you can cam this one way or the other to suit your needs. Same thing on the window crank handle. Under the window crank handle, there'll be a flathead screw on most of them. Door handles, most of them are in an inverted position. On this particular model, we've turned them around. It's a little easier to grab a hold of the door and to close it versus having to get your hand underneath it to close it. And once that's done, just go ahead and lift it off and set it off to the side. Now, right inside this hole is another 10 millimeter bolt, and that bolt holds the back side of the door handle to the door itself. You also need the flathead screwdriver again and remove the latch mechanism from the striker. There are 3 screws here, and they're all flatheads. Now when you're going back together with this, you can adjust the tightness of your closure. At this door latch, there's a slight adjustment, and also on the striker on the door jamb. Once you have it off, on the inside you can see the workings. It'd be a good time to lubricate those before you reinstall them. Now, with this piece off, we're going to move around here to the front. And it's a little bit of finagling to get it undone. On one side of it, there's a latch. On the other side, you have the door handle itself, the lifting lever, and the catches. It's a matter of holding your tongue just right to get it out. Okay, once you have it out, there's 2 rods here. One is for the lock assembly, and then the other one is for the door latch. Once you get this out, you'll have to cam this over just ever so gently and slide it off that first rod. Then this rod here, you'll have to follow this around until it's undone. Once your door handle's off, then you can take them over to your locksmith and have them rekeyed. Thank you very much.